Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Apologies, it's been a couple of weeks since my last upload. Things have been absolutely manic around here. It's been that bad, I've not even had time to get an haircut. So today's video is one for all you cheesecake lovers. It's a KitKat cheesecake, and here's what you will need. So for the base, I'm going to use 350 grams of digestive biscuits. In this bowl I have got 170 grams of unsalted butter, and to go around the tin I'm going to use maybe around 34 KitKat fingers. I am not using the KitKat branded ones today. I'm a bit of a cheapskate, so I've just gone for a cheaper alternative. For the filling I'm going to use 500 grams of full fat soft cheese. Use any brand you like. You can use the expensive brands like Philadelphia. Again, me being me, I've gone for the cheaper alternative. 500 grams of full fat cream at room temperature. In this bowl I've got 120 grams of icing sugar, and then we're going to use around 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then for the topping, we're going to use 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 ml of double cream, and around 12 more KitKat fingers, which we're going to break up on the top. And the best thing about this cheesecake, we don't need to bake it, so it makes the whole process a lot simpler. Right, let's get on with blitzing the digestive biscuits. Right, I'm going to pop my biscuits into the food processor. If you don't have a processor, you can put them in a bag with a rolling pin and take all your frustrations out on that. So once you've blitzed all your biscuits into a nice crumb, just add them to a large bowl, and then with the butter melted obviously, pour that into there. And we want to mix this together until we get a wet sand appearance. Right, so once that's done, set that to one side. Now for the fun bit slash stressful bit. I'm using a 8-inch tin. And I'm going to line the bottom. Right, so what we need to do with the chocolate fingers is this is where they'll keep falling over, just like that. Need to get these to go around. Right, so this has taken 36 fingers. Okay, it wasn't too stressful, they didn't keep falling over. Right, so with the centre, this is where I'll probably knock them all over. Spoon in your biscuit mix. Okay, so this is a thick, deep, biscuity base, which will obviously help hold the fingers in place. Once you've kind of evened it out, what I like to do is get a glass, start from the centre, kind of just press down, working your way to the outside. Okay, just like that. Right, I'm going to pop this into the fridge to let it chill, and we will make a start on the centre. In this bowl I've added 450 ml of cold double cream, and we're going to whip this until we get some nice soft peaks. So into another bowl I've added the cream cheese, and to that I'm going to add in the icing sugar, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. and then just mix them together. Okay, once you've got that mixed together, add your whipped cream. And then just fold it together. Right, so I've got the base back out the fridge, and now it's time to put the filling inside, avoiding the fingers as best as we can. And then just start spreading it out as even as you can. Right, we're nearly there. Try and get the top as level as possible to help when we put the topping on. It doesn't have to be perfectly level, but as level as you can get it. That should do. So yeah, that is actually done if you wanted to leave it at that and just put a few broken Kit Kat fingers on top, but I'm going to make a ganache and put that on top with some broken biscuits, so let's crack on with that step. Right, so for the ganache, I've got 100ml double cream. I'm going to add in the 100 grams of dark chocolate. I'm going to pop this in the microwave, but I'm not going to put it on full power. I'm going to turn it down to 50%. I think mine's a 700 watt microwave, so it's using half the power. You don't want it to go too hot and curdle your cream. Right, so this is out the microwave, and just keep stirring it together until it all melts in. If it doesn't quite melt together, just put it in for a little while longer. There we go, it's mixing together now. There. Nice, shiny and silky. So, with the cheesecake, just put this on top. And you want to work fairly quickly. Because with the cheesecake being cold, it won't take long for this to start getting a bit difficult to work with. Just like that. And then just to decorate the top, some broken chocolate fingers. And I think that will do. And that's it guys, all done. It needs to be refrigerated for a minimum of 2 hours. I'm going to leave mine overnight. We shall have it tomorrow. So we'll see you later. Okay guys, it's around 3.5 hours later. Can't wait till tomorrow. And the kids keep pestering, saying is it ready yet? So we're going to have it tonight. Right, let's see what this bad boy's like. There we go, look at that, wow. Right, let's give him a taste test. Oh, absolutely delicious. A beautiful cheesecake everybody's going to enjoy. And let me know what your favourite cheesecake is. And if you could leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, really helps me out. And until next time, we'll catch you later. Love you, bye.